How to pair the Apple Airpods Gen 2 with a Moto G22 phone or any other Motorola phones running Android 12. I'll also show you how to get a pop-up animation, and you'll need the app known as Andropods here, and we'll dive into that later. Let's do it. The first thing you want to do is get your AirPods into pairing mode. Also, make sure it's not already connected to another device, because once you open up the case lid, it's going to automatically reconnect to that previously paired device. So go ahead and unpair it. And now that you have it unpaired, your case is open like this here. You'll get a green light, meaning that it's got some good battery life inside of it. And at the back of your Apple AirPods case, you'll see this little button right here. You're going to hold down that button. Make sure this case lid stays on. Open up the whole time while you're pressing down the button here, and keep holding it until you get a white blinking light. When it starts to blink, don't let go until like 3 to 5 seconds. So go ahead and do that now. So wait for it. All right. And you can let it go now, but keep the case lid open here. And now we're going to go into the Moto G22 phone or any other Moto phone that you have here. Go into the Bluetooth settings. All right. So you'll look for Bluetooth, you'll long press it. And when you're here, select pair new device. That'll turn on your Bluetooth settings, and it's going to start searching for nearby devices. Wait for the AirPods to show up. And then when you see it, tap on it one time, it'll say pairing. You'll most likely get this pairing request. You want to go with pair, and it's going to say it's connecting, then connected, okay? And once it's fully connected, it'll say active, and you can tap here so that you can get into some more settings, such as the HD audio here, and enable it for phone calls or media if it's not working for that at the moment. So we'll close this out here, and we'll now go ahead and activate the app itself. Assuming you have the app all installed and ready to go, you'll dive into it, and being that it's your first time, you'll most likely see this here. Go to overlays here, show overlays, it'll take you right here. And once you're there, you'll go to the Andropods section here and go ahead and turn that on to allow it to appear over other apps. Once you're done with this, close it out, because sometimes you might get stuck in a loop. And then you'll go back to the app itself. And this time you'll just have to give it permission to the Bluetooth settings. And once you're done with that, just go ahead and allow. Now that you're here, you'll see where it says activate service. Turn that on. You'll need to do that so it can work. You'll see this show up here as a notification. Then you'll select the model and just make sure it's set to AirPods 1 and 2, which is Gen 1 and Gen 2. And once you're done and all set here, and if you have it working, and keep in mind this is not perfect because it's a free app, you can use the free version to get this here, and we're only using it just to get the pop-up animation and battery reading. Now with all that said and done here, let's pop this open and see how it works. And just wait for the AirPods to register. This is just about accurate as it can be, because I know my AirPods case needs to charge, as I've been using this many times. All right, now with that there, and when you take it out the case here, give it a few seconds so that it can register, register the AirPods on its own without the, okay. And there you go. And that's that. So like, sub, and thanks for watching. You can always go back and just deactivate the service or uninstall the app if you don't like this. Thanks for watching.